snoring chin strap might be the most effective remedy for your spouse. If you live with someone who snores, you can understand how frustrating it can be. You will often not get a good night's sleep, and this is very bad for you. Sleep is essential to guarantee that you wake up feeling refreshed and ready for the next day. If you're being deprived of this essential sleep due to a partner snoring, then you will need to find a solution. A snoring chin strap may be the answer you're looking for to ensure that you can sleep next to your partner again. There are many reasons why a person snores, and one of the most popular ones is that they're trying to sleep with their mouth open. Sleeping in this way will in fact make your partner's throat close off, which is the reason why they snore. The best way to stop this problem is to ensure that their mouth stays closed all night. In this way, their throat will remain open, and consequently, they will stop snoring. Your partner's breathing will have to remain normal. Then, and only then, will they not be able to snore. By making them wear a snoring chin strap, you can guarantee that their mouth cannot fall open and thus cause the snoring problem. Sleep problem experts have tested the chin strap on many people, and it has a high rate of success and is quite comfortable to wear. Your partner will see results very quickly once they begin to use a snoring chin strap, and it can encourage them to breathe correctly during the night. The strap will help to retrain your partner to breathe through their nose and not through their mouth, which is the main cause of the snoring. Often, this is a bad habit which many people pick up, and the chin strap can help your partner to learn good habits once again. Often, your partner will not need to wear the snoring chin strap forever, and only until the bad habit does not happen anymore. There are two different designs of the snoring chin strap, and you'll need to decide which one is suited to your partner's needs. The first type is like a giant elastic band which goes under the chin and around the head. This is a very simple but effective device, which does get results. It's designed to pull the chin up and keep your partner's mouth closed. The other snoring chin strap is attached to your partner's cheeks by adhesive straps. This one tends to slip and not be as effective during the night, but you should try both and see which one works best. The snoring chin strap is ideal for some people, and for others, it's not effective at all. If your partner's snoring is caused by a reason other than open mouth, it might not work for them. For instance, nasal problems cannot be cured using this device, so you have to establish what type of snorer your spouse may be before you can find an appropriate solution. The other downside to this device is that it's not the most attractive thing to wear to bed. But hopefully, if your partner wears it for a while, they can get out of the habit of sleeping with their mouth open, and this will allow both of you to get a good night's sleep.